Hello and welcome to a new video here on my YouTube channel. Today we're going to metaldetect this cornfield. I've been here before and I've found a lot of coins and some other old stuff, so I hope we have some success today. I'm using my phone right now for filming, but I also am going to use a GoPro on my head to do some live digs. So yeah, let's get started metal detecting. Okay, first thing we found today is this nice little button. Got a nice pattern on it, something like a flower or something. Very small. I think it's for a shoe or something. Don't know. Yeah, nice start of the day. Got another signal. Right there I found the button. And here we have another signal. Let's see what it is. What do we have here? Oh, just a piece of shrapnel. Nothing special. Let's keep on searching. Found the first coin of the day. It's just a 1 cent piece, dated from 1950 to somewhere around 1980, I think. Don't know for sure. So yeah, pretty modern. Very bad condition. But yeah, the first coin of the day. Let's keep on searching. Okay, we found our first old coin of the day. I think it says Gelria and is dated around 16 or 1700, I think. Let's take a look at the other side. There you got a weapon. Very nice. So yeah, first decent find of the day. I'm happy. Let's keep on searching. Got a nice signal somewhere over here. Still in there. There you go. It's a musket ball. Yeah, nice find. I just found this. Don't know what it is. It's very heavy. Looks like brass to me. Don't know. If someone knows what it is, please tell me. Very good signal. Did we find a coin? Yes. Found our first coin on a live dig. I already did around 20 live digs and all. Everything I found was trash. Well, this is another 1 cent piece. This is wartime, it's zinc. Let's clean it a little bit. Clean the coin a little bit. And it's very hard to see on camera, but here says Netherlands 1 for the 1 cent, and there it's dated 1943. So they made this in the years of war. So yeah, very nice. Next signal, somewhere around here. Okay. What is it? Nothing special, I think. No, just a piece of zinc. This is also a nice find, as you can see, right on the surface. It's a piece from a clay pipe. It's not much left of it, but yeah, still a nice find. Found my next coin of the day. It's a 5 cent piece from 1929, a Dutch coin. I don't find these very often. It's a square, very nice. Happy with this one. Let's keep on metal detecting. Another nice signal somewhere here. Okay. A tube. Next coin is this Hollandia coin. It's very hard to see, but it's dated 1702. Unfortunately, a little piece is missing. But yeah, still a nice coin. Happy with this one. Okay, I just got a signal, and the coin is right on the surface, as you can see. Didn't even touch it, so let's take it out. It's another 1 cent piece, not old. You can see the date, I think 1958 or 56, don't know. The other side, yeah. Nice one. Oh, it's from 18 something. It's half of a cent. You can barely see but there's a big W on there. On the other side, they have the weapon. So yeah, nice one. Let's see if we can find some more coins. Another nice signal. Or is this signal? I think it is. It is. It's a pen. Very old one. Yeah, it's just a pen. Yeah. Nothing special. Found another half cent. I think it's dated 1839, I think. Here you can see the W better, with a crown on top of it. The other side, it's very bad the other side. Oh, it's gone. But yeah, a nice coin. Next coin is a 1 cent piece from 1990. Got a lion over there, and it says Kingdom of the Netherlands. Very good condition. And on the other side you have 1 cent. Yeah, nice coin. On to the next one. Found another clay pipe, and this one looks complete. Yeah, it is. Very nice. It's a very small one. But yeah, I never found one complete like this. Very nice. Let's clean it up a little bit. Found another old coin. Don't know what kind of coin it is yet, but we found out when we're at home. Can't see a date either. But yeah, definitely an old coin. Another 1 cent piece, 1878. Very nice one. Here you got the other side with the 1 cent sign. Very good condition. Another 1 cent piece, this time from 1821. Pretty old. Also with a W on it, the crown on top. Unfortunately, I hit it with my shovel over there, but yeah. They got 1 and on the other side a cent. Very nice one. Okay, here we have the total of the day. We got some clay pipes, 1 complete. I'm very happy with this one. And a ball. I don't know what it is. I think it's made out of clay or stone, don't know. And this thing, don't know what this is. If someone knows what this is, please tell me. Some lead back seals. I think these are rings for curtains. Not sure. Some buttons over here, musket balls, and all the coins we found today. So let's take a closer look at the coins. Let's start with modern coins. We got a 5 cent piece over here, dated 1948. 3 1 cent pieces from 1948, 1953, I think. You can make anything out of this one. Then we got a wartime coin made out of zinc. And here we have 3 1 cent pieces. 1876, I think, 1990, and can make a date out of this one. Here we got a 5 cent piece from 1929. Don't see these very often. 1 cent piece, 8021, and 2 half cent pieces. Can make any date out of this one. So yeah, that's all the modern coins. Here we have the older coins. First we got a Hollandia coin. It's from 1702. Pretty old, more than 300 years, so very happy with this one. Then we have those 3 coins. There's a lot of text on it, but can't find a date. There you see the 18, but the century is missing. But yeah, if someone knows something more about those 3 coins, please tell me. And we have this one. Can't see a date on this one either. And the other 3 over on this side are bald. So yeah, total of 20 coins. It's not bad. So yeah, that's it for today. I hope you liked this video. If you have some tips to make my videos more interesting for you, please let me know in the comments. Yeah, see you guys next time. Goodbye.